Mohawk360 is a custom-built app that provides real-time updates on your campers. Open the app and enter the mobile number to receive your secure password via text. Tap Camp Feed to view photos and highlights specific to your campers. Customize it with our filters. See your camper's profile and add a photo for additional security. Choose the staff you'd like to message: camp director, head counselor, and more. Need to make a transportation change? Message the bus counselor.
Your Camp Concierge will monitor all messages, so your counselors can keep their focus where it's important, on the campers.
Choose events to view all of Mohawk's important dates. Enable notifications and stay logged in to receive them. Upload your photo to customize your profile. That'll be used as your daily pickup pass. Staying connected is now faster and easier than ever. Download Mohawk360 today.